Ever stared at your Oberlo dashboard, seen those to-order notifications piling up, and felt a tiny knot of panic tighten in your stomach? You've built your dream dropshipping store. The sales are rolling in. Congrats, by the way. But now comes the crucial part, actually getting those products into your customers' hands. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of making sales, but fulfilling those orders efficiently and accurately is the backbone of a successful e-commerce business. Mess this up and you risk unhappy customers, negative reviews, and ultimately, a hit to your bottom line. Think of it like this. You've thrown a fantastic party, everyone's had a great time, but now the dishes are stacked high, the floor's a mess, and your guests are waiting for their coats. Ignoring the cleanup will quickly sour the whole experience, right? Order fulfillment is your e-commerce cleanup crew. It's the process that transforms a digital transaction into a tangible delivery, ensuring your customers receive exactly what they ordered, on time, and in good condition. Now, Oberlo has made this process significantly simpler for dropshippers. Instead of manually contacting suppliers and placing individual orders, Oberlo acts as a bridge, streamlining communication and automation. But even with this powerful tool, understanding the nuances of order fulfillment within Oberlo is key to avoiding costly mistakes and ensuring smooth operations. So, ready to ditch the order fulfillment overwhelm and master the art of sending your products out like a pro? Let's dive into the step-by-step process of fulfilling orders on Oberlo. First things first, you need to have Oberlo properly connected to your Shopify store. If you haven't done this yet, pause this video and head over to the Oberlo app within your Shopify admin. Follow their straightforward instructions to link your accounts. Once that's sorted, you're ready to tackle those pending orders. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store for a product you're dropshipping through Oberlo, that order will automatically appear in your Oberlo dashboard under the Orders tab. You'll see a list of all your orders, along with their status. The ones you need to focus on right now will likely be marked as To Order. Clicking on the To Order tab will bring up a list of all the orders that require your attention. Here, you'll see details like the customer's name, the products they ordered, the quantity, and their shipping address. Take a moment to review this information to ensure everything looks correct. Double-checking at this stage can save you headaches down the line. Now comes the actual fulfillment part. For each order listed under To Order, you'll typically see a button that says something like Order Product or a shopping cart icon. Clicking this button initiates the process of sending the order information to your supplier. Oberlo will then automatically populate the supplier's order form with the customer's shipping details and the selected products. This is where the magic of automation really shines. You no longer have to manually copy and paste information between platforms. However, it's still crucial to review the pre-filled information on the supplier's page before submitting the order. Ensure the correct product variations, size, color, etc., and quantities are selected, and that the shipping address is accurate. Any errors here will directly impact your customer. Once you've reviewed everything, you'll typically need to complete the order on the supplier's website, which usually involves making payment for the cost of the product and the shipping. Oberlo often provides a direct link to the product page on the supplier's site, making this step easier. After you've paid for the order on the supplier's website, it's important to go back to your Oberlo dashboard and mark the order as fulfilled. This tells Oberlo that you've taken action on this order. In many cases, Oberlo will automatically update the order status once the supplier ships the product and provides a tracking number. However, it's always a good practice to keep an eye on your orders and manually update the status if needed, especially if there's a delay in the supplier providing tracking information. Speaking of tracking numbers, this is a crucial part of the fulfillment process that directly impacts your customer experience. Once your supplier ships the order, they will usually provide a tracking number. Oberlo often automatically imports this tracking number and updates the order status in your Shopify store, sending a shipping confirmation email to your customer. However, it's wise to periodically check your Oberlo dashboard to ensure tracking numbers have been correctly added. If not, you'll need to manually retrieve the tracking information from your supplier and add it to the corresponding order in Oberlo. This ensures your customers can stay informed about the progress of their delivery. Now, let's talk about some best practices to streamline your Oberlo order fulfillment process and keep your customers happy. Firstly, automate where possible. Take advantage of Oberlo's automatic order fulfillment features. This can save you significant time and reduce the risk of manual errors. Explore Oberlo's settings to see what level of automation you can enable. Secondly, monitor your inventory closely. While Oberlo helps manage inventory, it's still your responsibility to ensure the products you're selling are actually in stock with your suppliers. Regularly check your Oberlo dashboard for low stock alerts and take proactive steps to avoid selling out-of-stock items. Thirdly, communicate proactively with your customers. If there are any delays in order processing or shipping, inform your customers as soon as possible. Transparency builds trust and manages expectations. You can use Shopify's email templates or dedicated customer service apps to keep your customers in the loop. Fourthly, build strong relationships with reliable suppliers. The efficiency of your order fulfillment heavily relies on your suppliers. Choose suppliers with a proven track record of timely shipping and quality products. Consistent communication and a good working relationship can help resolve issues quickly and ensure smoother order processing. Fifthly, regularly review your Oberlo settings and connected products. Ensure all your product mappings are correct and that your fulfillment settings align with your business needs. Periodically check for any updates or new features in Oberlo that could further optimize your workflow. Finally, track your fulfillment metrics. Pay attention to your average processing time, shipping times, and any customer complaints related to fulfillment. This data can provide valuable insights into areas where you can improve your processes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.